Hi everyone, how are you today? Well, it is winter. And of course, the most fun thing about winter is snow. So today we are going to do some things with snow, specifically with snowflakes. Let's start with a couple of poems. One little snowflake with nothing to do, along came another, and then there were two. Two little snowflakes laughing with me, along came another, and then there were three. Three little snowflakes looking for some more, along came another, and then there were four. Four little snowflakes dancing a jive, along came another, and then there were five. Five little snowflakes having so much fun, out came the sun, and then there were none. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five little snowflakes floating by my door. One blew away, whoosh, and then there were four. Four little snowflakes falling down on me. One blew away, whoosh, and then there were three. Three little snowflakes falling down on you. One blew away, whoosh, and then there were two. Two little snowflakes having lots of fun. One blew away, whoosh, and then there was one. One little snowflake lying in the sun, it melted away, whoosh, and then there were none. So today for a craft, we're going to make some very simple snowflakes, and we're going to just use some of my materials we got from Michael's. And if you would like to have a kit to make this, you can come to the library and pick one up. And we're just going to decorate some beautiful snowflakes. I've got my bucket of bling and my hot glue gun. And we'll just add some things onto our snowflake to make it beautiful and sparkly. And you can just hang it up anywhere at home, in your window or on your Christmas tree if it's still there, or in your bedroom to give you something to look at. Just decorating a beautiful snowflake, just to make winter a little bit more fun. Oh, let's see what I have here. Some purple. These are sequins, but there's all kinds of things in my bling. You might find some gems. There's a gem we could use. Or anything you have at home, and you could even just use things like Fruit Loops, because those are so colorful. Dance like snowflakes, dance like snowflakes in the air, in the air. Whirling, twirling snowflakes, whirling, twirling snowflakes, here and there, here and there. Let's add some more bling onto this. Snowflakes, snowflakes dance around. Snowflakes, snowflakes touch the ground. Snowflakes, snowflakes in the air. Snowflakes, snowflakes everywhere. And there is a beautiful snowflake, and you could add something to the top of it so that it will hang. And if you wanted to, you could decorate the back of it as well, and then just hang it somewhere so it can twirl around and look like a real snowflake. Hope you have fun making snowflakes, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye.